Namaskara everyone, Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel ki swagata. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel, and this is a spoken Kannada lesson after a long time. And I hope you have already watched all the 9 series of videos which we did especially for the beginners, where we learned the vocabularies and the simple sentences which is related to those words. And in this video we'll be learning about the directions, the words and also the simple sentences. The mostly directions will be used when you travel. So maybe you while booking a cab, while you're traveling in a cab, while you have to say the directions to anyone. So or you have to ask the direction. In those cases, you will be using the direction words. Okay. So let's start. The first word is here. Here is illi. Okay, you can also write I, so whichever is comfortable for you to pronounce, you can choose that letter actually. Illi ba, come here is illi ba, is come here. There is alli. So don't get confused with this one which comes in a preposition which means in the house, mane alli, in the theater alli. Don't get confused with this one. Other preposition and this one comes to the direction alli. There is alli. There is a house, alli mane ide. Ali mara ide. Ali mara ittu. So ittu comes in a past tense. Okay. The next one is straight. Go straight. Straight hogi. If you don't know the word, you can simply say straight hogi. Or you will say nera. Nera hogi. Go straight. Nera hogi. Hogi is go. With respect. The next one is front. Front is munde. Munde ide. So munde ide or munde banni. Come forward. That is also fine. So forward or front. Yeruduku you can use munde. Munde yenide. What is forward? Munde yenide. In those cases also I can use. Next is obviously the opposite of this is back or behind, which I can say hinde. Hinde hogu. Or hinde hogi, go back, move back. In those cases also you can use hinde. Okay, hinde ba, come backwards. So backwards, behind, back, for all those things you will use the same word hinde. Munde opposite, hinde. Always remember, you go with opposite words, it will be much easier for you. Munde hinde. Okay, next one is up or above, which is mele. Mele ba, come up. Okay. Or on the table. Sometimes with a preposition you will be using on the table. Table mele. Table ke upar. Table mele. So in those sentences also, scenarios also, you will be using mele. The opposite for this one is down or below, which is kelage or kelage. And the la is very important. The tongue has to touch upper palate of your mouth. The tongue tip has to touch upper palate of the mouth. Kelage. Kelage ili. Get down. Kelage ili ri. So if you are in a metro and you are asking the person to get down, kelge iliri. If you are in a bus, you are asking the person to get down, kelge iliri. Or you can simply say iliri, jaga bidi. So just like that, okay? So up, down, opposite words. Next is near. Near my house there is a shop. Near my house, mane hatra. Nam mane hatra shop ide. So near is hatra. In other scenarios, where do I use this? Is if I have to say I have a dog. एनकिट्टे dog इरुक्के मेरे पास कुत्ता है. So in those situations also you will be using hatra. So remember the situations and you can make an additional note in your book if you are copying. So these are the situations I'll be using. Just like this one I told you, right? Ali and mele. This one also I'll be using in a different situations. So actually near is a hatra. Mane hatra petrol bunk ide. Petrol bunk hatra ba. Come near petrol bunk. Okay, petrol bunk atra idini. I am standing near petrol bunk. I am near the petrol bunk. Petrol bunk atra idini. So ide you can't use for the people. Ide used for only for the animals and things which we know already very well, and there is the exclusive topic which is already done. Sorry for the background noise. I hope it is clear now. So the opposite for hatra is far, which is dura. So adu dura ide. That is very far. Adu dura ide. Hatra and dura. I hope this is comfortable. We'll learn few more words. So which is right. Right is bala. If I want to say right side, then I would say balgade. The left is yada. If I want to say left side, then it would become ಎಡಗಡೆ. Towards is kade. Petrol bunk kade banni. Towards petrol bunk banni. So petrol bunk kade banni. So that side, that is adu. We know that. If I want to say that side, aa kade. Aa kade ide, that side. It is this side. Ee kade. Ee kade ide. Okay. So similarly, there are few more words which we will be learning later. So there is one more thing that I will write down that also. In is ಒಳಗೆ, out is ಹೊರಗೆ, which we know already, but I have written. So these are the words, the direction related words which we have learned today. Simple sentences. Please make a sentences and mention those sentences in the comment box. I will help you out with the any kind of a corrections if it is there, or you can directly send a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com also. And do watch my Instagram profile for more activities and more videos, and also you can visit my website. There you have blogs and activities for the spoken Kannada. So thank you so much, and do not forget to purchase the book for the spoken Kannada, especially for the adults. The more information you will be seeing in the next part of the video. Thank you so much. Namaskara. See you in the next part of the video. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.